Bottle gel, 1 phase. Hardening and rebuilding the natural nail plate. Prepare the natural nail plate, shape, gently buff, clean, and degrease. Apply tape bond and wait approximately 30 seconds. In case of a difficult nail plate, apply primer acid. Apply a thin layer of gel onto the nail. Do not cure. Add more gel, create the apex, and shape. Cure for 60 seconds. If there's no need to correct the shape, you can remove any excess dispersion layer with a dry cotton swab. If you need to correct the shape, wipe the nail with an alcohol-based liquid. Shape the nail using a 180-240 grit nail file, buff, clean, and degrease. Finish off your planned design with a hybrid top and cure for 60 seconds. Bottle gel, a new definition of build gel.